The curb inlet filter features a highly UV-resistant skin, inside filtering media, and a rigid PVC material inside. Each unit comes equipped with a weight pouch to be filled on site. If your weight pouch is not already installed on the filter, slip it around the edges with the attached straps and center on the unit. Find the Velcro side of your pouch and open it as shown. Once you have your pouch open, fill it with roughly 3 pounds of cleaned pea gravel. When done filling, securely close your pouch back up with the Velcro enclosure. Bring your filter to your inlet with the weighted pouch facing down. Insert the weighted pouch first, centered on the inlet. This will ensure that the filter is securely installed. It is recommended that the filter extends at least 12 inches past the inlet on each side. If your inlet is too large for one unit to cover, no problem. The curb inlet filter is designed to be conjoined and connected to other curb inlet filter units. Simply open the Velcro enclosure on each side of the curb inlet filter and find one side of the PVC with a coupler and one without. Firmly connect the two units to secure them together. Slide the filtering media and outer skin back together and you're ready to go. Install exactly as you would a single unit. Now that your curb inlet filter is properly installed, consider adding accessories like the silt sifter bag for added filtration and inlet protection. Thank you for choosing PSI Environmental. You can visit our website for further resources or reach us by phone and email